திருப்பத்தூர் ரோட்டரி சங்கத்தினுடைய உறுப்பினர் ரொட்டேரியன் KM சுப்பிரமணியம், ரொட்டேரியன் டாக்டர் அருண் அவர்கள் வழங்குகிற இசை மழையில் சிறிது நேரம் நனைவோம். தொடர்ந்து இயக்குனர் சர்க்குணம் அவர்களுடன் கலந்துரையாடுவோம்.
பிடித்த களவாணி மற்றும் வாகை சூடவா ஆகிய 2 படங்களை டைரக்ட் செய்த திரு சர்க்குணம் அவர்கள் காத்து கொண்டிருக்கின்றார்கள். அந்த 10 நிமிட இடைவெளியில் டாக்டர் அருண் அவர்களின் இந்த ஃபியூஷன் ட்ரம்ஸை கேட்டுக்கொள்ளலாம். அனைவரும் கலையாதிருந்து கலந்துரையாடலில் பங்கு பெறுமாறு உங்கள் அனைவரையும் கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறோம்.
So I can say I'm gonna play. I've been selected in the team. I'm gonna play on the field, not in my dreams. You can watch all of my cares just run away. I'm gonna play. I'm gonna play. I'm gonna play. I've been selected in the team. I'm gonna play on the field, not in my dreams. You can watch all of my cares just run away. I've been selected in the team. I'm gonna play on the field, not in my dreams. You can watch all of my cares just run away.
Friends, before I start speaking about the convention, let us just view this video clip, where RI President Kalyan Banerjee and his Anne Vinoda personally are inviting us to the RI convention.
Sawadee Krap. Welcome to Bangkok. Behind us is the magnificent marble temple, Wat Bentia Mabo Fit. One of the many attractions you will see while attending the Rotary International Convention from the 6th to the 9th of May 2012. Bangkok is a city that we have visited many times. It is a vibrant, dynamic, modern metropolis. The city bustles with energy and life. This vitality makes it a principal destination for world travelers. The The city is alive with gleaming skyscrapers, cosmopolitan hotels, world-class cuisine, thrilling entertainment, and a very trendy nightlife. And the shopping here is the best in all of Asia.
Getting around Bangkok is easy by SkyTrain, boat, taxi, and my most favorite one, tuk-tuk.
And the Thai food is different and delightful. A steamboat dinner, for example, is an unforgettable experience. But Bangkok is also a very spiritual city. The grandeur and glory of its illustrious past resonates throughout the modern metropolis and helps shape its worldly character. The city is home to ornate Buddhist temples, magnificent palaces, sacred shrines, and many other cultural and historical treasures. Immerse yourself in the rich culture, heritage, and tradition of the Thai people. The Thais are friendly, easygoing, and polite. You will see more happy faces here than anywhere else in the world. Truly, it is the land of 1,000 smiles.
Their spirit will leave a lasting impression and make you want to come back to visit this wonderful city again.
Vinodha and I invite you to join us and Rotarians from around the world at the 2012 Rotary International Convention here in Bangkok, Thailand. Let us celebrate the spirit of Rotary and the spirit of the Thai people. Thailand is waiting to welcome you.
Thank you. Can I have the lights here, please? Friends, that was RI President Kalyan Banerjee and First Lady Vinodha inviting all of us personally to the convention at Bangkok from 6th to 9th of May. It's indeed a privilege and an honor for us to have RI President from India. And it's only appropriate that we support him by going in large numbers, by registering in large numbers. As on date, that is dated January 26th, our registration stands at 266. Our target is 1,000. Not our target. Our district governor Sampath has personally promised RA President Kalyan Banerjee that he is going to bring 1,000 registered delegates from 3230. There are two ways you can register at the cost of repeating again. I am going to tell you there are two ways. One is kindly log on to www.rotary.org, download the registration form, fill up the forms online and swipe your card. Or the easier alternative for people like me who are not so computer savvy, send a DD or an ATPA check to South Asia office favoring RI South Asia office for at the rate today is $195 into 50 rupees, which is the currency right now, Indian rupee. Friends, at this point of time, I would like to introduce my team of convention team. I first request ISAK Nazar, the advisor, to come on stage. Following him, other district chairman, our additional chairman Ravi Chandran from Metro, the additional chairman GK Malan Ni Mohan from Vellore East, and Naidu from Fort. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to now ask you, request you, cajole you, and sometimes even push you for registration. If you require 1,000 registrations, we require also some help from you. All hands will sail. In another 1 hour, my dear friends, the biggest event in any Rotary year, this district conference is going to be over, done and dusted. The next biggest event in the Rotary world is going to be RI convention, and we are going to come to you for registration. Friends, our district is arranging a group of around 160. We have only 160 tickets. We are leaving on 3rd night, 4th morning, and coming back on the 9th evening. I know there are a lot of other groups which are going also. It's not important how you go, with whom you go. The important thing is that you go and you register and go. Ladies and gentlemen, join us at Bangkok. We'll have some great, great fun and we'll rock together there. Thank you.
டாக்டர் அருண் அவர்களின் இசைமழை.
Rotarian Mr. K.M. Subramaniam and Dr. Leela Subramaniam, அவங்களோட Annette. I'm Dr. Arun Dilip. I'm here to present a small composition of our own. With the troupe, we are called as Kalyugas. These are all my friends. They are professionally into another line, but we take music as a passion and we do it. And we have a small piece of you. And this piece we are going to play now. This is called a piece. We selected this piece of composition just to give for Rotary, which is the highlight and limelight for service. So we have this piece for you, followed by a small fusion and an older agenda for you. And we dedicate this piece of music, which is called Peace, for all the doctors who have gone to Sri Lanka. And I too have a set of doctors with me. We can help you all the while with medically, and my friends are ready to serve you people as musically. And I dedicate this music for all the people who are in Sri Lanka and India. Especially I thank you, Dr. Sai Prasanna Madam, who has given me this opportunity. Please sit back and relax. This music is for you. Thank you.
மிக அருமையானதொரு இசை மழையை வழங்கிய அன்பு செல்வன் டாக்டர் அருண் அவர்களுக்கும் அவர்தம் குழுவினருக்கும் நெஞ்சம் நிறைந்த வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றோம். நமது ரோட்டரி மாவட்டத்தின் முதல் பெண்மணி டாக்டர் சாய் பிரசன்னா அவர்கள் டாக்டர் அருண் அவர்களுக்கும் அவர்தம் குழுவினருக்கும் நினைவு பரிசு வழங்கி மரியாதை செய்கின்றார்கள்.
May I call upon the DG to the stage? DG is not here. I request Dr. Leela Subramaniam to come on stage along with her son. And Subramaniam also, Rotarian Subramaniam sir. We should say about the club first, which took the entire footage in conducting the Pongal Villa. We were not able to honor them because Ganesh Malji was not there. But each and everything, this club takes the forefront in helping out on whatever basis the DG asks. Kudos and our best wishes to Tirupattur Club. Actually, we were running short of time. He is Dr. Arun, a radiologist, full-fledged radiologist, and he is an observer in Ramchandra Medical College. Is it auntie? Please don't panic. 10 மணிக்கு கூப்பிட்டாலும் நான் உங்களுக்காக ரோட்டரிக்காக வாசிச்சு கொடுத்துட்டு போவேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. So give him a big hand. A doctor's son playing the music on drums.
அன்பு செல்வன் டாக்டர் அருண் அவர்களுக்கும் அவர்தம் குழுவினருக்கும் வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்து தொடர்ந்து இந்த மாவட்ட மாநாட்டிற்கு அறக்குடை வழங்கி சிறப்பு செய்த அன்பிற்கினிய நல் நெஞ்சங்களை நன்றியோடு நினைவு கூர்ந்து அவர்களுக்கு நினைவு பரிசு வழங்க வேண்டி மாவட்ட மாநாட்டின் தலைவர் சிவகுமார் அவர்களை அன்போடு மேடைக்கு அழைக்கின்றோம். தொடர்ந்து மாவட்ட மாநாட்டு குழுவினரை நன்றியோடு நினைவு கூறுகிறோம். மாவட்ட மாநாட்டு குழு தலைவர் டி சிவகுமார் அவர்கள். தொடர்ந்து அடுத்த நிகழ்ச்சியாக புதிய தலைமுறை சினிமா என்பது குறித்து நம்மிடையே மிக சீரியதொரு விவாதத்தை தொடங்கி வைக்க வேண்டி திரைப்பட இயக்குனர் சர்க்குணம் அவர்கள் வருகை தந்திருக்கின்றார். அவர்கள் நீண்ட நேரமாக காத்து கொண்டிருக்கின்றார்கள். அடுத்த நிகழ்ச்சியாக இயக்குனர் சர்க்குணம் அவருடைய நிகழ்ச்சி நடைபெறும் என்பதை மிக்க மகிழ்ச்சியோடு தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கின்றோம்.
Good evening, friends. I stand before you in the capacity of conference treasurer. While Ram Gopal and Shivkumar will come later to thank every one of the volunteers, these special persons I wish to thank myself because they made my job easier by helping us with the sponsors. At the outset, I would like to thank the following sponsors. And while I read out their names, I request them to come onto the stage and get recognized by District Governor Sampath. First, I would like to thank Rotarian Past President Suresh Jain for having taken up the responsibility of conducting the pre-conference, and a major share have been undertaken by Suresh Jain and his team. May I request Sai Ram, in case Suresh Jain is not there, to come and recognized on his behalf. Sai is also not there. Okay. The next recognition goes to Rotary Club of Port City. Madras Port City. May I request President Mutswamy and Nandakumar, and if Secretary is also there, he can also join and get recognized. Rotary Club of Madras Port City took care of the inaugural session for the conference on the first day. The entire expenses was borne by them. May I request the President of Rotary Club of Tirupattur, President Kripakaran, and past President Madhavan, please come onto the stage. Friends, Rotary Club of Tirupattur took care of our coffee and water requirements for the entire 2 days, and it requires your applause. May I also request Secretary K. M. Subramani to join them for the recognition. Our next thanks goes to DRFC, past President Veeramani, who extended a sponsorship of 2 lakhs to his company Ports India Limited. DRFC Veeramani is there. I would like to request Vasumati and Marimuthu to come onto the stage to get recognized for their sponsorship of 2 lakhs towards the conference expenses. Past President Manjula and past President Venkatakrishnan for their sponsorship of 1 lakh. Past President Manjula. We would also like to recognize the efforts of PDG Ganpati through sponsorship from L&T and India Bulls. President Vilva of Madras Metro will come and receive the honors for Suresh Jain. And Sairam also, yeah. Past President Manjula and Venkatakrishnan is not there. May I request Assistant Governor Satish and Assistant Governor Ilango for their personal contribution towards the conference expenses. May I request Nandita Krishnan, President of Rotary Club of Madras, for their sponsorship of 1 lakh, or anybody from Rotary Club of Madras? President Manigandan from Rotary Club of Ranipet. Yeah, Indira Subramaniam will receive the honors on behalf of Rotary Club of Madras. Rotary Club of Vellore South, President Ashok and Secretary Ravi Shekaran. Rotary Club of Vellore Cosmos, President Vishnu Mohan. And Rotary Club of Baniambadi Midtown, President Chakravarti and Secretary Pandian. And Rotarian Nithin from Chengalpet, on his behalf, Rotarian KT Gunashekaran will receive the honors for his personal contribution. Friends, last but not least, I would like to have a thunderous applause for the District Governor Sampath and First Lady Sai Prasanna for having sponsored the entire entertainment program for the 2 days. And you all, I'm sure that you all enjoyed the entertainment very much. Thank you once again.
Dear friends, இந்த 2 நாட்களும் மிகச் சிறப்பாக என்னுடன் இருந்த கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் டீம் மெம்பர்ஸ் அனைவரையும் மேடைக்கு வரும்படி அன்போடு அழைக்கின்றேன். 82 பேர் இருக்கிறதுனால பேர் சொல்லி அழைக்கிறதுக்கு நேரம் இல்லாததுனால the team members of the conference இந்த 2 நாட்கள் உங்களுக்கு இந்த கலாட்டா 12 மிகச் சிறப்பாக கொடுத்ததுக்கு and I request AP Kanna and Nazar to come to the stage. இந்த கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் இந்த அளவுக்கு சக்ஸஸாக இருந்ததான்றது நீங்கள் தான் சொல்லணும். அதுக்கு முக்கியமான காரணம் 3 பேர் அதிகமாக ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டோடு என் கூடவே 24 hours கூப்பிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. அதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா AP Kanna, நாசர், டாக்டர் சாய் பிரசன்.